So in this lecture, I'm going to cover if you have decided to start your business as a sole trader, you want to keep the things simple, you have to inform HMRC about your self-employment. So they are going to send you a UTR number. UTR number is a unique tax reference number. So by the end of financial year, you will be able to do the self-assessment and you can tell HMRC how much money you have made from your self-employment. So tax year normally start from April and it ends in April as well. So for example, tax year 2027 and 2028 is going to start on the 6th of April 2027 and going to end on the 5th of April 2028. So this is in that period, how much money you're gonna made, you need to inform HMRC. Obviously, I'm going to go more into details how much tax is going to work for a limited company or as a sole trader. That is going to be a separate lecture. This is just getting a registration done as a sole trader because that is a legal responsibility. Keep in mind, the things the way they used to be before are no longer like that. So what do I mean by that? If you sell on eBay, if you sell on Amazon, you sell on any platform, now HMRC have told these companies, they have told eBay, they have told Amazon, they have told TikTok Shop that you need to also report to us who is selling on your platform. So getting a registration done as soon as possible will, will avoid any tax penalties or anything like that. So what you need to do, I will put the link for that inside the course notes as well. You need to be on the Gov website and then you're gonna register for self-assessment. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on start now and we're gonna be applying with the post, but these are the steps that we need to take to get to the form that we need to fill out, right? You're gonna select you are a self-employed, for example, a sole trader, click on next step right here. And then if you are doing it first time, then you're gonna just click no, I'm registering first time. If you already have registered before, you don't need to do that again. You can use the same UTR number for your online business. So if you have a other business where you are working as a sole trader, it doesn't matter. You don't have to tell them again. Then once you will do your tax return, you also include, let's say you are driving a taxi, for example, and then you're selling online, you're gonna include two sources of income on the same UTR number as well. You don't need to get another UTR. If you are going to register a limited company, then you're going to have UTR number specific for your limited company. And once you register a limited company, HMRC will send you that UTR number. But as a sole trader, you're only going to need one UTR number. And then you can report your income from a different sources under one UTR number. So you're going to click on next. And then the HMRC will tell you, okay, you need to fill this form right here, which is called CWF1. I'm going to show you, give you overview. It's a very simple form. And then you need to post this form to this specific address as well. So obviously the link for that is going to be inside the notes. And then obviously you can come on this website and you can fill the form and then you will know the address where you need to post this form as well. So the form is very simple. This is the form right here. Once you will be inside the form, there is some information that you can read. And then the next one is then you click on next. Obviously, these are the other things that you can obviously read as well. Then the next one is going to be this one right here. So it's very simple. Add your national insurance number, date of birth, your gender, title, first name, last name. If you had any other last name, your home address, and then your contact number, email address, these sort of things. And then you click on next, you will be able to print this form. You will need a printer for that. So once you have printed this form, you can send it to HMRC on this address. And then what they're going to do, they're going to send you a post. In that post, you will have your UTR number, unique tax reference number. You need to keep that safe because you're going to need it once you need to report your income at the end of the financial year. And that UTR number, eBay can ask you, Amazon can ask you, TikTok Shop can ask you. If you're selling on any other platform, they can ask you for that UTR number because it's a legal requirement for them to have their record updated as well.